Hello, and welcome to a very quick demo session of SSON Analytics. My name is Naomi Secor, Global Managing Director of the Shared Services and Outsourcing Network. So what is SSON Analytics? We are the Global Data Analytics Center for Shared Services, Automation, and GBS professionals. Through a yearly subscription, members gain self-access to visual data insights. They're accurate and simple. Thousands of our subscribers are using this tool that I'm going to take you through for benchmarking, gaining access, and that allows them to improve process efficiency, reduce costs, and optimize center operations. So let me quickly show you what this tool can do. I am right now in our City Cube, which is one of the 5 data tools that comes with a subscription. In this City Cube, you can compare 3,800 locations across 18 variables that you can see here on the left-hand side of the screen. For the purposes of this demo, we're looking at a couple of things: number of captive hybrid shared services, talent availability, average annual salary, cost of labor, and we're going to look at our global health security. So I've set it up here that we're looking at Warsaw, Manila, San Jose, KL, and Dallas, but you can set these for whatever location that you'd like, and you can set up to 7 at a time. So here, as we're looking at number of captives, what I've shown you here is the number of captives of hybrids in these different locations. Then, as we look at a breakdown of SSCs by function, you can see how many within the different functions, i.e. finance, HR, IT, procurement. Under talent availability, I wanted to show you the number of function-specific SSCs within a current role. This is obviously very good if you're looking at evaluating new locations to set up shared services or IA centers of excellence. And within each of these variables, there are many different sub-variables that you could click on. But I'm moving quickly because you can get a bigger demo at any time that you'd like. So then we're looking at average annual salary. Everyone loves this one. Function processes, you can look at everything from accounts payable, HR, IT, finance. Right here, I've decided to look at RPA at a global level and mid-management. And it can show you here what the different ranges are. Then as we go under cost of labor, here we are looking at cost of center operations, so you can see how much it costs between the different functional areas. Global Health Security Index, here we're looking at prevention, what the health system is like, and what the risk environment is like. So all of this data is available in the City Cube, one of our most popular tools. Much of this is updated on an annually basis, some of this on a monthly, some even as a weekly basis. So moving on, I want to take you to our metric benchmarker. So now we're into the metric benchmarker. This is where you can benchmark your shared services organization against 103 metrics by location and by function area and 2 data sets. So first I'm going to take you into our MIH. This is our Metric Intelligence Hub. This quite simply, you'll pick the metric that you want. For purposes of this demo, I'm going to look at day sales outstanding. Why not? I'm going to put us at BFSI, and I'm going to say that we're in North America. And you're going to see immediately, you're going to get your metric. You're always going to get a definition up here of exactly what you're looking at, and your yellow bar is always going to present your median view. The other data set that I want to show you is our top 20 SSO metric checker. This is where you can actually benchmark your shared services organization against the top 20 shared services organizations recognized globally. But who are those? So let's take a look at who they were for 2019, and congratulations to all the winners. So you're going to be now benchmarking against a specific data set. Oftentimes people ask, where do we get our data? Well, these admired shared services organizations give us their data, and we put it in the system here, and now you can find out how you're tracking right up against these folks. And so how you would do that is you would go into the top 20 metric checker, and just like we did before, you would select what you want to compare. So for example, we can look at cost per pay slip, and it's going to show you here how you compare to that very special subset. Moving on, I'd like to take you to our intelligent automation universe. So we are not a recommendation engine. We're not going to tell you which IPA vendor to use, but we are going to give you an apples-to-apples comparison of what they offer. So as we move into our software vendor catalog, you can see here, if I wanted to look at the capabilities and solutions of Agilify against Automation Anywhere against, Blue Prism. Why not? And I compare those vendors. This is going to show you, okay, what their licensing model is, what their solution capabilities are. Do they have attended or unattended? Do they have OCR? What's their configuration process? Can they suggest next best action models? And what's great about this, and we're all used to this, right? We've kind of seen this kind of thing with Best Buy, but what's amazing about this is as you are putting together your RFPs and deciding on which vendors to go forward, these are just great questions to ask them. So in addition to a software vendor catalog, you can also read great case studies around what's happening in the IA landscape. You can view our most coveted market reports, and you can look at automation trends. The next thing I wanted to show you is our Shared Services Atlas. This is so cool. This is a hotspot map of all of the shared services locations around the world. You can function by location of the SSE. You can do it by function, by revenue, by industry. So here what we'll do is we will just go ahead and look at United States. We'll look at all functions and all revenues and all industries. Wow, you can see now we're looking at over 2,000 delivery centers in the United States. And if I wanted to see who they were, for example, in Texas, there you go. Here's a complete view of all the shared services centers that exist in Texas. So this is obviously great for networking purposes, setting up those site visits and more. And very new is this ability here to search by company name. So if I wanted to type in PepsiCo, for example, I could see all of the areas in the United States where Pepsi has shared services operations. So that's a little bit about our data tools. All of those are available to you with a subscription. Lastly, I just wanted to bring your attention to our analytic workbooks. These are categorized by function area and also by region. We have over 120. So subscribing to this platform, you get access to all of these. They're beautifully designed visual representations of our data, and they're all downloadable, which means that you can put them in presentations, you can use them for training. We're looking now at finance shared services of the future. And you can see that it actually lets you click on the information, manipulate, interrogate the data, and we help you conceptualize what you're looking at here in the sidebar. So we're going to go through one of these. You can see it's very, very engaging and interactive tool. And again, they're all available for download, and you've got over 120 of those. So that's just a very high level of how SSON Analytic works. We've got thousands of subscribers already. We would love to onboard you. It's a very quick process. So I'd encourage everyone to visit our website. It's sson-analytics.com and go to this Contact Us, request a demo, and we'll get back to you in a very short period of time. Thanks again. Have a great day.